Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Manzil. So today I have come up with some important vocabulary words taken from an article. Let's begin. The first one is inflammable, which is an adjective. The meaning of inflammable is a substance which is easily set on fire. That means jwalansheel. The next one is charred, which is a verb. Its meaning is burnt and blackened, which means jal kar kala ho jana. The next one is perished, which is also a verb which means die, especially in a violent or sudden way, which means mare gaye. The next one is Ariel, which is an adjective which means existing, happening or operating in the air. That means Hawaii. The next one is inevitable, which is a noun which means a situation that is unavoidable, which means jo tal na sake. The next one is mishaps, which is also a noun which means an unfortunate accident, means durghatna. The next one is conspicuous, which is an adjective which means readily seen or understood or clearly visible, which means vishisht or spasht. The next one is inspection, which is noun which means examination, study, investigation, search, inquiry, analysis, etc. And in Hindi, its meaning is nirikshan. The next one is cognizable, which is an adjective which means capable of being judicially heard and determined or perceptible, which means clearly identifiable. In Hindi, its meaning is sange. The next one is rampant, which is an adjective which means growing or spreading uncontrollably, which means unyantrit. So hope so you have learned something new today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.